Hi, it's Ms. Parrott, and welcome back to the AP Bio Words That Matter series. In this series, we're going to decode words that you're going to see on the AP Bio exam that aren't necessarily scientific vocabulary, but they're words that you have to understand to be able to read the question and understand what it's asking so that you can choose or write the best response to earn the most points on the AP Bio exam. This is Skill Set 6. These are the first 5 words in this set. Skill Set 6 is applying constraints and conditions. These words are going to tell when or under what conditions biology applies. So let's get to it. When AP Bio says require, you want to hear must have. So an example would be cellular respiration requires oxygen to produce ATP efficiently. That means it must have oxygen. Next is limited by. That means restricted or restrained by. So, for instance, the rate of photosynthesis is limited by the amount of carbon dioxide that's available. Speaking of available, available means present and usable. So, for instance, ATP must be available for active transport to occur. That would be an example of how you see it on the AP exam. Our next word is absent. Absent means not present or not there. An example of a way you may see that on the AP Bio exam would be when oxygen is absent, cells rely on fermentation. The opposite of absent is present. But in AP Bio, that means, right, it's existing in the system. So you could say when glucose is present, cellular respiration can proceed. And those are the first 5 words in the skill set. Stick around for the next 5 words in the next video. If you found this helpful, be sure and give this video a like, subscribe to my channel to see all of the videos in this series, AP Bio Equations Explained series, and so much more. If you have a question or a comment, please do leave it below. And teachers, check out my resources on Teachers Pay Teachers at Know and Grow with Gnomes. Keep learning, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.